If you're in the market for a dynamometer and you're looking for performance and price, and there's nowhere else to look than Dynocom, and that's why we're here today for SEMA 2012 to find out what's new for 2013 and to find out all about it. I'm here with Alison Blackstein. This is a really cool piece of gear, isn't it?
Absolutely. The 5000 series has been our most popular dyno. So for 2013, we decided to just add a bunch of new features and make it even better and keep the same affordable price.
All right, well, tell us some of the features on this particular dyno that we're looking at right now.
Sure, absolutely. Well, if you actually walk around the show, we're the only dyno company here that has an integrated fan that cools the eddy current, which is really important because they're all air-cooled. Yep. Also new is our LED lighting. We go underneath and we just press that button and we've got LED lighting, which is it's for safety and for ease of use. Yeah. And lastly, we have a new taper shaft design, which allows for higher torque, higher speed, quarter-mile drag racing. All of that can be done even on this smaller 8.5-inch roller.
All right, so if I'm looking to buy this dyno, what kind of rating have we got? How much horsepower can I push through this dyno?
This one's rated for 1,250 horsepower, 5,000 foot-pounds of torque, 175 miles per hour.
And it's bi-directional?
It's bi-directional and upgradable for all-wheel drive at any time in the future.
Right, so everything that you buy here today, you could actually upgrade if your needs.
Absolutely. You can upgrade to a fixed wheelbase with a belt linkage system, or you can upgrade to an all-wheel drive with an adjustable wheelbase.
One thing I like about this particular dyno is the portability of it.
Yeah.
So you've even got your own hand truck that can carry this thing around.
Yeah, absolutely. The caster dolly kit's an option. It's $895, and it's great if you want to just use it in your own shop and you don't use it all the time. You want to put it under a workbench, you can do that. Or if you want to take it to car shows, or you want to rent it out to other shops, that's perfect for that application. One
unique part, and it's a small detail, but one that I'm really a fan of, is the fact that you can just plug it in and you don't have to wire your shop to have it in place.
Exactly. We learned, since we ship our dynos all over the world, we want to make it simple. We want to ship you the dyno, we want to make it ease of use. You plug it in, you're 220 and you're good to go. 220, 240, 280, whatever your power is, you just plug it in. You don't need an electrician to come to wire it up.
I think most importantly, above all else, when you're getting into dynamometers, price is always a factor, and your price point is, it's one of the best on the market.
Absolutely, it's affordable, but we do not sacrifice anything. Everything is made in the USA, stainless steel. The only thing that's not made in the US is the eddy brake, which comes from Fernelsa, which is a European manufacturer. Everything is of the highest quality. The bearings are Dodge manufactured, made in the USA. Our belt system is Gates Polychain, it's Kevlar, also made in the USA. So we do not sacrifice quality for price.
And there are other dynos at your price point on the market, but what separates you from those guys?
Absolutely. Well, some of those features like we added for this year, the stainless steel. On our larger dynos, we are an industry-leading 2-year warranty where everybody else is a year. And then as we get into the software and electronics, our data acquisition system is really the brains of the dyno.
And just from a glance, your rollers seem to be much better this year too.
Yeah, absolutely. We've CNC machined all rollers. Both rollers are knurled. So what happens is on most cradle roll dynos, they don't knurl that idler roller, and on higher horsepower and torque applications, that tire wants to creep up. You don't see that when you knurl, and that's a very aggressive. It's not a press knurl, it's a CNC machine cut knurl into that roll.
Okay, so just for example, this package behind us, what's that going to cost me to get into my shop?
That's $16,995 complete.
There you go, you can't argue with that. $16,995 for a dyno in your shop. For more information, just head to dynocom.net.